again. Now, all of us are gonna do 2v2 to see who is the best. So, who? What's the teams? So
So it's me.
me and lol underscore lol account versus Mudit and Goldy God and Technoblade never dies. Wait, come.
Let's go for Elon Musk.
No,
Okay, crossroads.
crossroads.
Is every weapon allowed?
Yeah. No, don't do that. Fine, no, or not. Okay, guys, not every weapon allowed. Only the weapons which you have. Only the weapons which you have.
Yeah, okay. Who did that? Who did the war hunt? Himang, did you do it? Thank you.
Guys, after this match, me and Ashu are gonna switch. Then Ashu will play on this.
I got him for one. You are through? That. And Ashu's good. You're using auto shoot.
He hit me, da. Nice head, Hemang. Hey, Hemang's auto. Hey, guys, no auto.
Even Ashu has auto. You can use. Ashu can use auto.
But you guys can't use auto aim and auto shoot.
One phone using and
Bro, stop doing the auto. Hemang.
that's me. Hello, I killed you, Dhruv. I one shot you. I killed both of you this time. Himang, war on.
Guys, don't mind because I'm playing on phone right now.
Huh? I couldn't catch what he said.
Don't mind, he's playing on phone right now. Nice one.
Good one. No, I'm
Hey
using
guys, can we play Steal a Winner after this?
Sure. You're asking me
Guys,
to steal one.
everybody will be showing their skills in one PC, okay? So it will take some time to,
Bro,
change
Himang, that was my
the
kill.
account, so don't mind.
Hello, Dhruv. He's here. Shoot.
We'll come one by one.
Bro, you're using auto shoot, Himang. Shut up. Himang, war on.
Guys, can we play a game another game more after this? Any other?
Yeah, obviously, duh. You know about this, Himang. They're using they're auto shooters.
Nice one.
Auto shoot people. I'm joking. I'm not using energy pistols. I'm not paid to win.
Guys, we just posted one introduction video. Tell me, how was it? Was it good? That was the first video we ever made.
Hello, bro. One down. Come on. Shit. Hole. Your reloading time is lesser, Himang, right?
Guys, don't judge my skills. Actually, don't judge my skills.
Hey, Sidhu Bachi is back. Sidhu, is there?
But Siddharth joined.
War on. No, not here. Himang, war on. Thank you.
Now I'm gonna go to knife now after this. Energy. See guys, I told you it's pay to win.
Ooh, that's
Boosh.
Don't judge, yeah? Now we're gonna switch accounts.
I just
Learn this.
nobody.
We are not switching accounts. So guys, it's me Ashu playing here. Don't mind if I play bad in this account, but I won't. Come on.
I guess.
Okay, let's continue. 2v2. 2v2, yeah?
Wait, no RNG, no RNG,
Not RNG.
not RNG.
And remove the extra weapons. Mudit.
Guys, let's do the bunny one.
Bunny sniping, yeah, bunny sniping.
No. Guys, let's play a normal game.
Yeah, actually, you just do a normal game mode now.
And remove the weapons which you don't have. Done. Okay.
Done.
Okay, let's continue now. So guys, it's me Ashu playing on the PC now. I will play nicely now. Yeah.
Ooh, crossroads. Come on, let's do this.
Guys, just to
Remember, Himant, war on always.
remember, if you're surprised how is Himam killing us, he's an auto aimer.
Yeah. That's true.
He's in a tab right now. Oh nice. Trash.
It's fine, da. Don't worry. Shit, I don't have war on now.
Mudit, stop. What the heck? Auto aim, bro. Guys, don't mind because Hemang, he's cheating. He's auto aiming. He's auto shooting also. And look, he's being toxic.
We're not being toxic.
I saw Hemang squatting on us.
War on. Thank you. Where are they? They're up here, Hemang. Hill. I got this.
Himam, stop auto. We also stopped.
Where are we?
Hemang, turn off auto, please. Guys, don't mind.
Hemang,
Drew-
stop auto. Next round, he'll stop auto. Where is he? Where the hell is he? Oh, damn. Nice sniping, Ashu. Nice sniping. Turn off auto.
That's me playing.
That's Dhruv.
That was Drew sniping.
Yeah. Every match is shifting. Match.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Bomba fantasta. Oh no. There's no way he did. We're gone. Both gone.
Hemang, stop auto!
He's not autoing. He's not autoing. He's seriously not autoing. Check. Bro, raging on God mode. Bro, hey man, war on. Drew, you stop auto.
He's not using auto.
No, he's not. Hemang, are you?
Dhruv is not using.
Oh, Drew. One down. Come, Drew.
Mujit, that's Ashu.
Oh, shit. I keep forgetting. Memory loss. Yeah, we all will be playing on Dhruv's account. No, hell no, Ashu will play. Actually, Dhruv will play here. Is it only me? Oh, it's only me and Dhruv. Oh, he just knocked me down. After this match, we'll be playing with Dhruv. Matlab, I'll be playing on his account.
No, you guys can switch. Hemang and Mudit, you can switch.
We'll switch like next round. Hemang, one on. Thank you. Oh hell nah. Auto.
No, he's not using auto.
No, there's no way he's not using auto da.
He's actually not using auto. Why do you...
Okay, fine, he's not using auto.
Guys, I'm sorry for that arguments, but you know, we are friends.
Hey, Warhon. Thank you. Shoot. Hemang, don't die.
Hemang auto, nah. Hemang just turned on auto.
You guys do? Bro, you just blame us for everything.
Bro, Hemang just turned on auto.
Better without running.
He doesn't have auto da. Warhon. Yeah, because I am. I'm in those tickets.
Bro, that auto is crazy, nah.
Bro, he's not using auto. Bro, just
He isn't even seeing me and he's killing me, nah. Surely, bro.
how is that auto? Auto can't go like that. Was that a no scope? Yeah. Then auto can't go like that. Auto doesn't go with no scope.
He didn't even turn around, bro.
Bro, that's definitely not auto because no scope can't use auto. I mean, auto can't do with no scope. Auto doesn't go with no scope itself. Okay, Ashu, even I can play with knife.
Guys, we will be ending after this and we'll post you part 2 after some time.
Okay, that
Last round, guys, and then we have to go.
Huh?
This will be our last round and then we'll leave. So please subscribe, share this to your fellow mates, and thank you.
Guys, if you say Hemang anytime, just run. Because you just know he's an auto player. What?
Where the hell? Come on, Dhruv. I mean, Ashu. 50. Bro, he was not even behind me, bro. Back shots my foot.
No.
Okay, guys, this is it for today.
Thank you. I'm sorry, but I couldn't play well because I'm not on my laptop. I'll soon be making a video on my laptop. Stay tuned and like and subscribe. And thank you.
Bye, guys.